postures to do after your gardening. The most important thing is to do the small movements in sync with the breath. And the other important thing is to move your spine in 6 directions: forward, backwards, sideways, and twist. So you mobilize the spine, which usually suffers. Your lower back suffers, your knee joint suffers, and your shoulders. You just feel that once you get off the ground, when you kneel down, or if you are in this position so this is for your lower back, trying to reach the ground, your lower back suffers and your hamstrings. So let's start with the first posture. So how to get off the ground when your body is very stiff to the standing position that you feel okay. So first thing you do, you come off the ground, lifting yourself up, placing your hands onto your knees. In this position, you stretch one leg and then the other leg. Very simple. Just hold on to your knees because you're resting your shoulders and your lower back. It feels good. And then you're trying to mobilize your knee joints. Very simple. So you move the leg. You bend one, you stretch the other one. You stay in this position and now mobilize your spine, especially your lower back. So you tuck your pelvis under and you do it with the small movements. Depends where your tightness is, how tight you feel. Tuck it under and then tilt it back. You just want to see the state of your lower back now so you can work on it. So dog and cat, tilt into this standing position. Hop and hop. Just slowly tuck it under and especially focus pelvis tucked under on your exhale. Inhale, you open. Exhale, you close. Inhale, exhale. And then slowly, posture 3, from this position, you're trying to roll yourself up. Again, slowly, slowly, till you feel that you're standing upright, probably awkwardly, because everything hurts at this point. You're trying to lengthen into Tandasana. Just stay straight and feel it. So rolling the shoulders back and forward, just to mobilize your shoulders a little bit. From this, we open shoulders a little bit more by interlacing your fingers backwards. Depends how you feel. Either you pull yourself backwards, just little. So moving your body a little forward. And your index fingers, so you're interlacing your fingers, so point fingers pointed. And then you pull yourself a little bit back to open across your chest, shoulder blades together. Oh, that's lovely. But you have to do it the other interlace the fingers. So if this is your normal grip, you feel okay, you shift one place down and then it's awkward grip. So you pull the other shoulder. So you do it, change the position of your hands and then pull yourself backwards. Okay. Staying into Tandasana and then feel the length now. So you feel still your lower back and your knee joints. So we're going into QL stretch. QL is quadrum lumborum muscle that is on the side from the pelvis to the spine, thoracic spine muscle. So for this one, you take the block or something that you can hold on. Depends on your flexibility, but it's good to hold on to your chair, onto any equipment that you have in the garden. So you hold on to it. And then you do similar as you did the first posture, but a little bit more intense. So you bend one leg, stretch the other, and then you change. And as you do that, move your hips left and right. You see that? So you feel the glute stretch, QL stretch, and your knee. You can just feel the nice length in the back of your legs. Oh, this feels good anyway without gardening. There you go. And keep doing that as long as you need. This one I usually stay for longer because it just sorts out everything in one go. Very simple but so beneficial. Bend, stretch, and move left and right. Okay, so now again you roll up, roll, bending your knees, tucking your pelvis under, and then roll yourself up. Place your hands onto your hips and go sideways. So you do the similar thing but just standing. So again, you feel the lateral stretch of your body. So we did backwards, forwards, now we do the lateral side. And then if you feel that you can do it, place your hands on your lower back, fingers pointing down, open your shoulders, and then arch a little bit. And then you come back, again with the breath. Inhale, hold, exhale, come back. And then again, inhale, hold, exhale, come back. Make sure you open across your chest. And we do twist seated. So find a chair somewhere you can sit. I'm going to build my chair with my blocks. So you sit. So your ideally knees should be in line with your hips. So not too high on your chest. So something like that. And you cross one leg over the other. So you're crossing. Notice how already you feel the glutes stretch. So now from here, you just go opposite direction. Place the back hand onto your hip. The front arm is long and you hook the elbows against the knee. Sit upright and just rotate. Again, you do it gently with the exhale. So inhale, you elongate. Exhale, you just turn a little bit. Again, you'll feel it where breath takes you. And how you feel in the whole body. Okay, and then you change side. You cross the legs the other way. Same thing, one hand onto your hip. Front arm, elbow hooks the outside of the knee. Elongate first, and as you exhale, turn. Again, you can do it few times. You do it as long as you need. It's just few postures to mobilize. Okay. And then slowly you come up again, you support yourself. If you want to finish with the dog and cat, tilt in this one just to see if you really you have an impact on your lower back. And then you roll yourself up and then hopefully you stand upright. So I hope this helps. Do it every time you finish your gardening. It only takes 5 minutes just to go through the motion of those few postures to make you stay nicely upright. So you're not suffering with the knee, lower back or shoulder joints. Let me know in the comments, how did it feel?